this section, we will be reviewing some of the tools that are the core building blocks for working within Excel. The first topic is going to be paste special, the second is cell locking, and the last topic is name ranges. Let's start with paste special. As the name indicates, this is a function that allows you to copy and paste. Now, I'm sure you are all familiar with the standard copy and paste feature across many programs. In Excel and many Microsoft products, this can be done by clicking Control-C and Control-V. The paste special function is very similar to this. So there are a lot of different paste special options available. The most commonly used options are paste formula, paste values, and paste format. You can also manipulate the content you are pasting by pasting using operations such as multiply, transform, divide, as well as several other functions. Paste special is useful when you receive large amounts of data that require cleaning before you can go and analyze it. It can also help you complete quick calculations or enhance the speed in which you format. Let's take a look at how paste special works. First, we select the cell that we want to copy, and then we press Control-C to copy the content of that cell. In order to bring up the paste special menu, we navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of our screen. This is in the top left corner of your screen. And then at the Home tab, we select the Paste button. By clicking on the little arrow below, we get a drop-down menu presenting some of the more commonly used paste options. We are looking for paste special, so let's go ahead and click on the last item in the drop-down menu. As you can see, this brings up a pop-up window with the various paste special options, such as formula, values, formats, and there's also others such as multiply, divide, and transpose. Once you select which option you want to use, you can press OK to paste the content. So there's also a shortcut for paste special, which allows you to pull down the same menu we just navigated to. Let's select our cell again and press Control-C to copy the content. And then to get the paste special shortcut, we hold Control-Alt-V in sequence to bring up the paste special menu. We will be using this shortcut going forward. Now that we've seen how to pull up the paste special menu, let's practice using it. In exercise 1A, we are asked to paste the values of a data set. Now, if we try to do it using Control-C and Control-V, we see that we get 0 and not the 20 that we are copying. Why is this? Well, if we go back to the value that we are copying and press F2 to step into the cell, you'll see that the cell contains a formula. When you copy a cell in Excel, it does not copy the values, but it copies the formulas. Second, the formulas are built with the relative references. So if you copy and paste a cell 2 rows over and 3 rows down, the reference will all move in the same manner. We'll explore how to control this later, but in our example, we are looking to copy just the values. If we go back to our copy values and press F2 to look at the formula, we will see that the cell is multiplying the number 2 in cell F10 with the 0 in cell G9, hence our result of 0. So let's take a look at how paste special can help in this scenario, as we want to only copy the content values of the cell. First, we select the values we want to copy. Here, that's D10 through D13. Now we press Control-C to copy these values, and then we move over to cell G10, where we would like to paste these values. Let's bring up the paste special menu using this shortcut Control-Alt-V, and then we want to paste the values. So we go ahead and select the values pop-up menu, and then we press OK. As you can see, this copies the correct values in the table. This is helpful when you're manipulating data and want to make a quick calculation just using the values, not the formulas. However, note that as a best practice, you should avoid hard-coding data in a model or during your analysis. Now let's try pasting formats. Frequently, we want to copy just the formatting component of the cell and not the underlying formulas or values. Similarly to what we did before, we start by copying the cells we want to use. This is D18 through D21. Next, we select the cell we want to copy the formats into, and then we bring up the paste special menu using our Control-Alt-V shortcut. And since we're trying to paste the formats, we go ahead and select the paste formats pop-up on the paste special menu. As you see, the format is correctly pasted over. Now, we also have another way to accomplish this, and this is called Format Painter. It does a similar task as the paste special formats option. So let's press Control-Z to undo the formatting we just did using paste special. We start by selecting the format we want to use by clicking on the first cell in the table. We select the Format Painter option on the Home tab. Let's select it, and then we go and highlight the cells we want to paste the format into. As you can see, this correctly pastes the format. So last but not least, for our paste special options right now, we're going to look at pasting a formula. This becomes pretty handy when we want to use the same or similar formula that is already used somewhere else in our workbook, but we don't want to copy the formatting from the source location. Once more, we copy the cells we want to use. Here, this is cell D26 through D29 using Control-C. Next, we select the cell we want to paste the formulas into. And then we bring up the Paste Special menu using Control-Alt-V. We're trying to paste the formulas, so let's select that option in the menu and press OK. As you can see, the formulas are pasted and the results are a multiplication of the values in column F and the 10 in row 25. Now it's your turn to practice Paste Special with exercise 1B. Paste the content using the different options in the Paste Special menu. And remember, the shortcut is Control-Alt-V.